Hi everyone, Tsakofata here of Losika Writes, and I thought I would add to our selection of bilingual material by starting some videos to, I guess, share setswana with anyone and everyone who's interested. So to kick off our first video today, I thought we would talk about greetings, or madume, which is greetings. So we start off by saying hello, and hello in Setswana is dumela. Hello, dumela. So it's a phonetic saying, so you say every letter and vowel. So dumela. So if you were to walk into a room and say dumela, you can say hello to everyone. You could also say dumela and then insert the name of the person. So dumela Neo, dumela Lucy, dumela Kutlo, dumela, and then say the name. Means hello, specific person. Or you could say dumelang. Dumelang is what you would use if you were speaking to someone older than you as a sign of respect, because it kind of is a plural form of dumela. So dumelang is what you would say to someone older than you, but also to a lot more people. So rather than saying dumela Kutlo, dumela Lucy, dumela Neo, you would say dumelang, which is hello everyone. Another way you could say hello is to say dumela ma. Dumela ma. Dumela ma is what you would say if whoever you're greeting is female. And dumela ra is what you would say if you were greeting a male. So dumela ma or dumela ra as how you would say to the different genders. So dumela, dumelang, oh hello everyone, dumelang, lina lameke tofat. That's our next stage. Liina lameke, liina lameke. Then say your name. It means my name is Liina lameke. My name is. Then you say your name. Liina lameke Tabo. Liina lameke Neo. Means my name is Tabo or Neo. Or you could say Gibidiwa, then say your name. Means literally they call me, say your name. Yeah, or I'm cold. I am cold Neo, so Gibidiwa Neo. Gibidiwa Tabo. Gibidiwa insert name. So dumelang, 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 dumela Neo, gibidiwa Tabo. That's how you'd say it. So I hope you get to press pause and practice and rewind as much as you need. But yes, that's how you would say hello and my name is. Another way someone might ask, or in greetings, might say, how are you? Utsugile jang. Utsugile jang. Utsugile jang means literally, how did you wake up? But means, how are you? Utsugile jang. Utsugile jang. That's more in a formal sense. How are you? And in an informal sense, someone might say waring, like what's up? What's up? Waring. Waring. Literally it just means what are you saying? Like what's up? Waring. Waring. And how you'd answer Gitsugile sentle means I woke up well. Gitsugile sentle. I woke up well. Or if someone says waring, you say ga ke re sepe. Ga ke re sepe. Ga ke re sepe. Means nothing much happening here. If you're saying what's up, nothing much, kinda. That's what you're saying. So how you say how are you? O tsogile jang? And the answer, ke tsogile sentle. Or wa reng? Ga ke re sepe. Yay! So you can now say hello. Say Lina Lamiki, which is your name. And how are you? In 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you have learned how to say hello, how are you, and your name. How cool is that? So one other thing you might say as your introduction might be ke tswa gae kwa. Ke tswa gae kwa means my home is from, or I come from, usually how you introduce yourself in a big setting. Or legae lamiki, when you add the location. So ke tswa gae kwa France. Ke tswa gae kwa France means I come from France or originate from France. And legae lamiki is I also come from somewhere. Legae lamiki Inyelani, which is England in Setswana. So my home, I come from England. So that might be something you want to say as well as you're introducing yourself. And to round out our introductions, you would say ki itumelela go go itse. Ki itumelela go go itse means nice to meet you. I'm glad I got to know you. Nice to meet you. And yeah, so hello, dumela, dumelang, dumelama, dumelara, dumelang. Liina lameke, my name is. Or kibidiwa, say your name. That's all. My name is Liina lameke Tserofatso. Kibidiwa Tserofatso. Ke tswa gae kwa, I originate from, ke tswa gae kwa Gaborone. Ke tswa gae kwa Botswana. Means I come from Botswana or Gaborone. O tsogile jang? How did you wake up? Or how are you? Ke tsogile sentle. I woke up well. Or I'm well, thank you. Or wa reng? Wa reng? Which is like, what's up? And ga ke re sepe. Ga ke re sepe. Nothing much. I'm all good. And ke itumelela go go itse. Ke itumelela go go itse. Go go itse. There's that sound. Go go itse. Which is nice to meet you. It is my pleasure to know you. So, yay! I hope that you take something from this and I get to get some comments down below and you follow our page as we learn more about speaking Setswana, which is, to me, a very fun project. Anyway, one way to say goodbye is to say Khosiame. Khosiame. Till next time. See everyone.